Here's how to set up your portable satellite solution. First, open up the box and remove the power cable. Then, unstrap the satellite from its holder. The satellite must have a view to the sky, so use the 5 meters of included cable to position it outside and away from the box if necessary. When everything is positioned, plug the power cable into the box. After a minute or two, the white dish will light up blue. When the box is fully powered up, connect your devices using the default Wi-Fi SSID and password located inside the box on the instructions. If you have opted for a unique SSID and password, use those to connect. Once you're finished with the unit, unplug the power cable and pack the satellite back into the box. Be sure to secure the dish with the strap provided. Coil up the power cable and position it in the bottom left of the unit and shut the lid. If you require any assistance, our UK-based support team are available on the details below.